Alright, we're back at the shop. It's like 25 degrees in here. Can't start any of the projects yet until it warms up a bit, so I got the heater cranking. So I'm gonna clean up the mess that I made yesterday. So we'll start soon. Yep, all that crap gotta be put back over there. And with some studio magic, it's all put away. Alright, today in the shop we need to plane more of these down to size, sand them, and then put the final polishings on them. Then they're good to be sent out. And this bad boy, I gotta drill holes and put on the handles. And then that one is good to go. So, I think that's pretty much it today. Maybe we'll get into some other stuff, but we'll see. Moving right along, so now we're gonna plane these both to I think we're gonna go 1/2 inch for these coasters. So once that's done, then we go into wet sanding and then finish the put the finish on it. Then these will be good to go out. So here we go. Alright, these came out pretty good out of the planer. What we'll do is we'll trim off a little bit of these ends just from being in the mold that it kind of like cracks like that as it's drying. So we'll remove that and then we'll cut these down to 4 inches each. These came out pretty good. Not much to it, but it's a little time consuming, just a lot of sanding and everything like that, and waiting for the epoxy to set, but fun little project. I got a bunch more I gotta do, so I'll see you on the next episode.